For answer number one, for the question number one, role of media in shaping public opinion. Because of our advanced technology that makes people from all over the world can connect to each other, and this distance for us is uh, no longer a barrier, and to get or to attain an information, and anytime, anywhere, or we are busy or not, we are still connected to media. And and many of us presume that media view can give us a view of of the world, and that's why we are deceived to give our own opinion. And um, according to Nevicius.net, public refers to the conscious of understanding that people have a public and official issue. There may be a basic disparity between the factual truth and the virtual truth, influenced by the public opinion and the mass media. All political and public figures and corporations are subject to public, which makes them pursue the right path to avoid the perils of negative public opinion or perception. And according to the French scientist, an opinion that establishes itself in the majority of the people of a community, it persists for a long time and is not attacked by anyone. For for the question number one, action and synthesis, how mass media play the role in shaping public opinion. And for me, because of our advanced technology that makes people from all over the world get a connection to each other, this distance for us is not longer a barrier to get or attain information from any part of the world. Anytime, anywhere, even we are busy or not, we are still connected to the media. Many of us presume that media provide us a view of the world, that we are easily deceived in giving our opinion. And according to I Am Hippie, the role of media in shaping public opinion is also shown through the photographs. Example of it is in the U.S. war on terrorism in Iraq and Afghanistan. In an article entitled Remapping the Visual War on Terrorism, Wendy Kozel, Rebecca Dicola argue that those photographs do not only function to document the event, but beyond that, they also serve to lead the viewers toward a certain political tendency. The U.S. government takes advantage from those photographs to justify their actions. The photographs are taken to represent the oppressed people in Iraq and Afghanistan to justify the war against those two nations in order to save the marginalized. Therefore, the photographs often show the images of Iraqi or Afghan women who are presumed as a political disregarded. The picture usually displays the images of women doing their domestic role, such a woman in marketplace, or a woman in powerlessness, such a woman in mourning. Such images are to create spectators' opinions about gendered citizenship and inequality in those occupied nation, with the hope that they would justify America's military intervention, which state purpose is to bring Western democracy to those nations and equal rights for the citizens. Other images present an Afghan woman her face and smile at the camera to represent the liberated citizen after the U.S. military intervention. In that case, veil used to symbolize female impression, and that is according to the iamhippie.wordpress.com. For the question number 2, do you think there are external factors involved to shape public opinion towards their issues they presented? According to the innovations.net, the public opinion or perception refers to the conscious understanding that people have of public and official issues. There may be a basic disparity between the factual truth and the virtual truth influenced by the public opinion and the mass media. All political and public figures and corporations are subject to public, which makes them pursue the right path to avoid the perils of negative public opinion or perception. According to the French scientist, an opinion that establishes itself in the majority of the people of a community, it persists for a long time as is not attacked by anyone. In addition, a public opinion is largely influenced by the media and public relations. The mass media use advertising techniques to convey their message and influence the thoughts of the people on important issues. People's opinion depend on various factors such as their immediate situation, their social factors, and their already existing knowledge and system of belief and values. And also, the factors in shaping the public opinion is the environmental factors. The social environment has a pervasive influence on public opinion. People's attitude is influenced by the opinion prevailing in the social group to which they belong. In short, the person's family's friends, community, place of work, school, or such church can influence public perception. And public opinion is a passive. It is greatly influenced by what is being conveyed to the public of various external agencies such as the media. For instance, regarding the issues of corruption ailing the government and private sector,